5 Toyota engines have logged some of the highest verified mileage in automotive history: 300,000, 500,000, even over 1 million miles on the original block. This is not luck. From cast iron 4-cylinder engines to modern aluminum V6 engines, each earned its reputation through deliberate engineering choices. Toyota repeated across 4 decades. We are ranking all 5, starting with a rugged inline-4 that refused to quit. In 5th place, the 22R and 22RE engines set the foundation for Toyota's reputation for longevity. Built from 1981 to 1995, these inline-4s are defined by their cast iron blocks, iron liners, and a no-nonsense, low-stress design that prioritizes durability over power. With a modest output of around 105 horsepower from 2.4 liters, the 22R keeps internal pressures low, minimizing wear on pistons, rings, and bearings. The simple single overhead cam valvetrain and carbureted or early fuel injection systems reduce complexity, making these engines easy to service and forgiving of imperfect maintenance routines. Real-world endurance is well documented. On the IH8 Mud Forum, one owner logged over 460,000 miles, supported by a stack of receipts from Bob's Toyota and a timing belt change at 350,000. Oil changes every 5,000 miles, and timely gasket replacements kept the engine running smoothly, though common issues like valve cover leaks and aging rubber hoses are routine at high mileage. The 22R/22RE formula, robust materials, conservative tuning, and straightforward engineering proves that simplicity, paired with disciplined maintenance, can deliver a 300,000 to 500,000 mile lifespan. This engine stands as the baseline proof that Toyota's reliability is engineered, not accidental. Number 4, the 1UZ FE stands apart as Toyota's masterclass in precision manufacturing and restrained engineering. Introduced in 1989 for the LS400, this 4.0-liter all-aluminum V8 was designed with a level of refinement rare even among luxury engines. Every detail points to longevity: a forged steel crankshaft with 8 counterweights, oversized main bearings, and a square, bore and stroke, 86 by 86 millimeters, delivering perfect balance and minimal vibration. The dual overhead cam, 32 valve layout, paired with port fuel injection, keeps the valvetrain whisper quiet, even at high mileage. Toyota's own durability program pushed the 1UZ-FE through a simulated 1.67 million miles before it ever reached customers, testing it in both Arctic conditions and desert heat. The real-world evidence is just as convincing. Matt Farah's LS400 famously logged 997,000 miles, backed by a notarized purchase receipt, a clean Carfax showing smooth odometer progression, and regular service records. Even after nearly 1 million miles, the engine retained its composure, with only age-related cooling system leaks and the occasional valve cover gasket requiring attention. Owners on enthusiast forums routinely document 400,000 to 600,000 miles with original internals, crediting Toyota's meticulous assembly standards and conservative tuning for the engine's remarkable lifespan. While the 1UZ-FE's complexity and cost set it apart from simpler, truck-grade designs, its enduring reputation is built on elite build quality. This engine demonstrates that when manufacturing tolerances are set to luxury standards and stress is kept low, near million-mile reliability is not just possible, it is engineered from day one. Number 3, the 2UZ-FE stands as Toyota's ironclad answer to truck-grade endurance. Built for the Tundra, Sequoia, Land Cruiser, and Lexus LX 470, this 4.7-liter V8 is defined by its cast iron block, a rarity among modern gasoline engines. That decision alone signals intent. Iron resists wear, shrugs off thermal cycling, and tolerates the kind of abuse that would sideline lighter aluminum designs. Oversized main and rod bearings, a forged steel crankshaft, and a high-capacity oil pump round out the bottom end, creating a foundation that handles towing, hauling, and relentless highway miles without complaint. The heads are aluminum for weight savings, but the valvetrain keeps things simple with a non-interference timing belt, so even a snapped belt will not destroy the engine. Toyota's engineers prioritize cooling, with broad oil galleries and piston oil squirters to keep temperatures in check under heavy loads. The real-world evidence is impossible to ignore. In 2024, Toyota's press office confirmed a first-generation Tundra V8 had crossed 1,018,000 miles. Backed by a Carfax report showing a steady 25,000 miles per year and a folder of service records stretching over a decade. The owner's maintenance routine was straightforward: oil changes every 5,000 miles, timing belt swaps at 90,000, and early replacement of water pumps and hoses. Highway driving did most of the work, but the engine's overbuilt internals made that kind of mileage possible. Known weak points include exhaust manifold cracks after 400,000 miles and occasional secondary air injection codes. These are manageable, never catastrophic. In an era of lightweight, high-strung V8s, the two UZF-E's diesel-like approach to stress and cooling cements its reputation as the million-mile gasoline workhorse. This engine bridges the classic truck V8 era with Toyota's modern reliability playbook, proving that heavy-duty engineering and routine care can deliver true lifetime service. Number 2, the 1GR FE stands as Toyota's blueprint for mainstream, long-life V6 power. What sets this engine apart is its iron block construction, a rarity among modern V6 engines, paired with a design that has been methodically refined over 2 decades of production. Launched in the early 2000s for the Land Cruiser Prado and later the Lexus GX470, the 1GR FE was engineered to handle both family commutes and off-road punishment. The cast iron block shrugs off heat and cylinder pressure that would warp lighter alloys, while the dual VVTi system balances efficiency and smoothness without asking the hardware to work at the edge of its limits. With a displacement of 4 liters, the engine delivers around 270 horsepower. But the real story is in the details. Oversized bearings, generous oil passages, and a conservative compression ratio all add up to a bottom end that resists wear even after hundreds of thousands of miles. The evidence is everywhere in service records and owner forms. A verified Lexus GX470 with 420,000 miles on its original 1GR FE engine was inspected at a Texas dealership in 2024, with maintenance logs showing oil changes every 5,000 miles and timing belt replacements at the prescribed 90,000 kilometer service interval. Owners routinely report 300,000 to 500,000 miles with only routine care, oil, coolant, belts, and occasional water pump swaps. The most common weak point is a water pump seal that can develop a slow leak after 200,000 miles, but replacement is straightforward and inexpensive. Timing belt neglect, on the other hand, can lead to catastrophic valve damage, making adherence to the 90,000 kilometer service interval essential. What sets the 1GR FE apart is its evolutionary refinement. Toyota didn't chase headline power or radical new technology. Instead, the company focused on perfecting the formula: solid materials, proven fuel injection, and a stress envelope that sits comfortably below the danger zone. This approach has allowed the 1GR FE to power everything from Hilux pickups in Australia to luxury SUVs in North America, all while building a reputation for reliability that is grounded in engineering, not myth. In the world of modern V6 engines, the 1GR FE proves that durability is a choice, not a coincidence. And finally, in first place, the 2GR FE stands as the clearest proof that Toyota's reliability philosophy thrives in the modern era. This 3.5-liter aluminum V6, introduced in 2005, powers millions of Camrys, Avalons, Highlanders, RAV4s, and Siennas worldwide. What sets the 2GR FE apart is its combination of advanced engineering and old-school durability: an all-aluminum block with cast iron liners, dual overhead cams, and dual VVTi for balanced performance. The heart of its longevity is a chain-driven timing system. There is no rubber belt to replace, no scheduled interval, and chain stretch is almost unheard of under normal maintenance. This design choice alone eliminates one of the most common failure points in modern engines. Toyota's conservative approach is evident in the numbers. The 2GR FE produces between 268 and 306 horsepower, depending on application. Impressive, but still well within the safe limits of its architecture. The deep skirt block design adds rigidity, while generous oil passages and robust main bearings keep the bottom end stable even after hundreds of thousands of miles. Real-world evidence backs up the engineering. A 2023 Camry owner documented 400,000 miles with nothing more than regular oil changes and a single valve cover gasket replacement. Dealer service logs confirm that high mileage 2GR FEs routinely pass 300,000 miles with original chains and internals intact. A survey of Midwest repair shops found that over 90% of 2GR FE engine replacements were due to accidents or external failures, not internal wear. The chain-driven setup comes with minor quirks. Some engines develop oil pump bearing noise past 250,000 miles, and valve cover gasket seepage is common in high heat regions. Both issues are inexpensive to address and rarely progress to serious problems. The absence of a timing belt means one less major service cost for owners, and the chain's longevity is supported by both owner forms and Toyota's own technical bulletins. In practical terms, the 2GR FE's reliability is not a fluke. It is the result of decades of refinement, disciplined power output, and an insistence on proven mechanical solutions. The 2GR FE closes the circle on Toyota's durability story, demonstrating that even as engines become lighter, more efficient, and more complex, the core principles of conservative tuning, robust materials, and thoughtful design still deliver engines that outlast the competition. Across all 5 engines, one pattern stands out. Toyota's reliability is not luck. It is disciplined, repeatable engineering. Conservative tuning, robust materials, and relentless refinement create longevity you can measure in hundreds of thousands of miles. That is why, even today, Toyota engines remain the gold standard for long-term dependability.